Hello YouTubers, laptop.bg is presenting the new Asus. This is a laptop from the K52 series, and it's 15.6 inch machine, very appropriate for home use or maybe in your office. Not very useful to people who will travel a lot, but maybe if you're moving from desk to desk, it's going to be okay. First of all, we said 15.6 inch machine, which has a new design. Overall, the same design of the K series is kept here, but now the main body of the laptop is covered by a plastic which does not have any fingerprints on it, so you will work easily and you will not be in a need to clean the laptop so often. Also, the keyboard is renewed. It already has this island type of keyboard, very useful for typing and making your typing errors less than with the standard keyboards. We also have this Numeric Keyboard here integrated. The touchpad is very nice. It has two main new features. Okay, the touchpad has a multi-touch option. It's not that new from Asus. Multi-touch is not that new, but you will also be very pleased to hear that Asus used the software for the touchpad, which recognizes when you're pressing the touchpad with your finger and when you're using it as a standard function, and it recognizes when you are typing on the machine. If you press with your with another finger or with your hand the touchpad, it's not going to react. It recognizes your movements, so it's not going to activate it, and you will not make some typing errors. Or you know how embarrassing it could be when you're typing on your Word application, for example. And some other cool software from Asus provides the laptop to recognize when does it need additional cooling and when does it not. And it starts the cooling fan. When the laptop needs that, it is going to save some of your power, so you will get much more, squeeze much more time of your battery life. Also, you can use the webcam of the machine as with this face recognition option. You can use the webcam instead of a password to log into your operating system. We're talking about software. Now some hardware changes. Intel Core i series is available on these machines. You can find it with Core i5, Core i3, and even with Intel double core processors. Of course, these machines will be much cheaper than the Core i options. Also, graphics from ATI with 1 GB of video memory and hard drives with different capacity. For example, 250 GB or 640 GB, up to 640 with different speeds of spinning. Draft N technology on the machine for the wireless adapter, and also quite acceptable ports for the home machine. For example, SD card reader, 3 USB ports, of course DVD burner, and HDMI port for connected with additional LCD monitor, VGA port, also audio jacks, everything you need on a home machine. This is a good if you want to choose something cheap and with overall good performance, you can try with this Asus K52.